Plates are historically one of the hardest things to make. I've had so many failures with all the different methods, and would get a lot of cracking and warping even with wheel throwing plates and rolling plates. It depends a lot on the clay you use, but for the one I use predominantly, I was getting those problems a lot and losing a lot of work. So I thought I'd let you guys know the method I've been taught by Sally Mae Mills, which has drastically reduced my losses with plates, and I get a lot of questions about it. So I'll show you now. What you are going to need is this is called a harp. This is something you can buy from most pottery stores. It's good, it's sturdy, it's rigid, and it's just got a wire here which with a bit of strength you can go up a few rungs. So that cuts at 10 mil for every cut, so that's useful, especially if you're doing decorative work like tiles.